Hey guys, it's Steve with Futures and Charts, and it's Monday, the day after Super Bowl. And of course, you all probably know Seahawks won, and I kind of figured their defense would probably take care of business, and it did. But um, it looks like things are having a bit of a bounce today. We're still, as I'll show you in the charts here in a minute, we're still kind of trying to form what looks to me like a cup with a handle formation. Um, I don't think it'll be too long, and we're kind of in a wedge right now in the handle, but I think it's going to start curving back up and test that previous high we just had. So um, we do have some. We just boarded another oil tanker that had Russian ties, I believe, is what the word is. So there's still, there's some activity going on that is probably going to keep somewhat of a floor under that oil market and have it creeping up until we find out what's going to happen. So, but it just looks to me like if this thing is forming that cup with a handle, that something is going to happen between the U.S. and Iran and possibly other things. Who knows? When you start choking off the supply to countries that need it could cause some ramifications that maybe weren't calculated. So we'll see. But let's just have a look at the chart and see what it says and kind of take the noise out of it and see if we can't anticipate something coming. So let's go look at the chart.
Okay, so this is, of course, February 9th, and it's about 8:15 Montana time. And this is what the markets look like today. We're up about 50 cents on March crude, and the diesel is actually down about a penny. And so, it's kind of had a bit of a run up here recently, but let's have a look at the chart here. This is the diesel chart. This is New York Harbor March contract, and let's see. Yeah, we're on the right day. So we're kind of trading in this wedge here right now, forming the handle because this would be our cup, and it's a classic cup too because we have a higher high, which means there's momentum to the upside. So and this thing should, if it plays out like it should, this over the next few days, or it'll try to come up here to this previous high we had on the, let's see what day it is here, but on the 30th of January. So it'll try to get back up there, and then once it breaks above that, it should have a breakout, which could be much higher. So it just makes me feel like the market is anticipating something starting to happen over in the Middle East, and it's just how the charts work. Something is going to drive that news, and since we know there's something going on over in Iran with our military over there, so I would anticipate that that's going to be the trigger and send this stuff higher, at least for a while. So we could, I don't know if we could, it's possible. There's people who are a lot smarter than I am that know how to measure what the upside could be considering where we came from. So, but like I say, if you're, you just hate to, like right now, prices are probably a little bit cheaper or around where they were the best time last year. So may not be a bad time to try to get some locked in, but this is what I'm seeing in the chart. So, and the crude oil is looking about the same, and it's actually a little stronger today. So anyway, that's what I got for you in this one, guys. Thanks for watching Futures and Charts.